Kim gamble, preemptive strategy needed to address fallout. The worst-case scenario has become a reality. The National Intelligence Service confirmed on Friday that North Korea had deployed troops to assist Russia in its war against the Ukraine. At the National Security Council meeting, the spy agency revealed aerial images showing hundreds of North Koreans training in Russia's far eastern region. According to the NIS, North Korea recently decided to send 12,000 troops, including specially trained forces known as the Storm Corps. This unit is comparable to South Korea's Army Special Forces, known as the Black Beret, which operate under the Army Special Warfare Command. North Korea's troop deployment has prompted an unwanted shift in South Korea's status regarding the war in Ukraine. Previously an observer, South Korea is now considered a stakeholder. Kim Jong-un's decision to join the war in Ukraine poses serious consequences for South Korea. In the event of a conflict on the Korean Peninsula, Russia could use this situation as an excuse to deploy its troops, provide weapons, or both to support North Korea. This concern is heightened by a treaty signed between Pyongyang and Moscow during Russian President Putin's visit to Pyongyang in June, which called for mutual defense assistance. During a news conference, Putin clarified that the agreement included provision for mutual assistance if either signatory is invaded. North Korea's decision to send troops to Russia is a critical development in that prompted South Korea to rethink its stance on the war in Ukraine. The presidential office said on Friday that sending lethal weapons to Ukraine is one of what it called all possible means. It revealed during the NSC meeting South Korea had provided non-lethal aid to the war-torn Ukraine, refusing Kyiv's request to send weapons.